Hello honeybees, I have found another Supertato book that I thought you might like to hear. This one tonight is called Supertato, Veggies Assemble. Let me move back a bit for you. It was night time and everybody was sleeping in the supermarket. Or were they? Have a look. Who's not sleeping? Someone was looking for trouble. Mwahaha! Soon this supermarket will be mine, all mine. And with one click, all the freezers were switched off. You may already know this, but some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. If they defrost, they turn bad, really bad. And baddest of them all is evil P. Wakey, wakey, he called. One evil P is bad enough, but now there were bags of them. The supermarket was in meltdown. Run for it, panicked Pepper. Save me, stuttered P. Save me, begged the melon. Save me, cried Carrot. I'm melting, pleaded Lolly, and time's running out. Was there anyone who could save them? Supertato to the rescue. There he is, Supertato, our hero. But before Supertato could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas. What's going on? Asked Aubergine. We're doomed, that's what, cried Cucumber. Things were going from bad to worse. Supertato was thrown on the conveyor belt and he was heading straight for the bagging area. Was this the end for Supertato? I'm going to need some backup. If I can just call the click. Super Veggies to the rescue. They used their ninja know-how. Hi-ya! They used massive muscles. They used fancy footwork. And they used a box with a door in it. But what about the lollies? Where was Supertato? Sorry I'm late, I just needed to pick up some dessert, said Supertato. And now to turn those freezers on. Click. Oh, and I'll be needing a glass and a piece of paper. Huh? Who ordered the vegetables? Screeched the evil P. You think you've beaten me, but I'm going to... You're going to do what? Asked Supertato. 3 cheers for Supertato, shouted Broccoli. Supertato blushed. Oh, I couldn't have done it without the super veggies. Actually, I'm not a vegetable. I'm a fruit, said Tomato, and everybody laughed and cheered. And with the peas back in their bags and the freezers locked, the supermarket was once again a safe place to be. Oh, isn't it wonderful? Said one lolly to another. We're all back to normal again. I hope you enjoyed that Supertato story. And I will see if I can find another story to read to you very soon. Stay safe. Bye-bye, honeybees.